The Sporting News highlights the 10 All-Star snubs for 2026, explaining that with 24 roster spots, 12 per conference, some deserving players miss out due to limited space, team records, or veteran bias. Eastern Conference snubs. Michael Porter Jr. Nets, career best season, about 25.6 ppg, 7.3 rpg, 3.2 ap. Joel Embiid, 76ers, 26.2 ppg, 7.5 rpg, 3.9 ap, top scoring, though rebounding is slightly down. Josh Giddey, Bulls, career high 18.6 ppg, 8.8 ap, 8.6 rpg. Derek White, Celtics, career high 17.2 ppg with strong defense, 5.4 ap, 4.6 reb. Brandon Ingram, Raptors, 21.9 ppg with solid shooting and playmaking, about 3.7 ap, 5.9 reb. Western Conference snubs. Kawhi Leonard, Clippers, 27.7 ppg, career best level, leads league in steals, 2.1 spg, with elite efficiency despite knee issues. Lauri Markkanen, Jazz, 27.4 ppg, top scorer for Utah with a landmark 50-point game. Alperen Sengun, Rockets, 21.1 ppg with high-level playmaking, around 6.4 ap, and team-leading passing. Keontae George, Jazz, 24.2 ppg, notable breakout season, including a 43-point game. James Harden, Clippers, 25.4 ppg and 8.1 ap, continuing as a primary offensive creator. Overall takeaway. The piece underscores that several players had standout first-half seasons and deserved All-Star recognition, but limited spots likely led to these snubs.